Now today we'll focus on find the magnitude and direction of the given vectors. Okay, so how can be determined? First of all, if you see very carefully, vector A is given how much? 3i cap plus 4j cap. I know that this one I cap and that one j cap direction. Okay, so if you draw here 3i cap means represent like that one. Okay, magnitude and direction, that is vector, plus 4j cap. So if you draw that one, that's 3i cap, that is tail and that is head. How can add 4j cap? 4j cap means direction, j cap is like that one. So whatever magnitude, that is 4j, it means that one add on here, always that vector add to first vector to head. Okay, that tail head connect to first vector of head. Okay, so represent like that one, 4j cap. Okay, after that this one represent, that is a resultant A. A is how much? That is 3i cap plus 4j cap, and that angle is the direction. Okay, so simply what about magnitude? Simply you can use here Pythagoras theorem, or I have already done. If vector A, then square of I cap, square of magnitude of I cap plus square of magnitude of j cap. So that is 3 square plus 4 square. Otherwise, here using Pythagoras theorem, that one is 90 degree. Okay, square of that one plus square of that one, this is equal to that one. Okay, so that is 9 plus 14 16, that is how much? 25 under root 25. So that value is 5. So magnitude of vector A is how much? 5. Okay, and what about direction? If you want to direction, so tan theta is how much? 4 divided by 3. Magnitude of that one is 4 and magnitude of that one is 3. So 4 by 3. So theta is written as tan inverse 4 by 3 with x-axis, with positive x-axis. Okay, so this is the final answer. Make it. After that we have focus on second one. Okay, make it. Now question number second part, that is 2i cap plus 2 root 3 j cap. How can do? I know that minus 2i cap. So first of all here draw, that one is I cap and here j cap. If you draw minus 2i cap means opposite to that one, minus 2i cap direction here, and whatever magnitude, that is 2, and that is 2 root 3 j cap. 2 root 3 j cap, here j is positive, it means direction like that one, that is 2 root 3 j cap. Clear? If you that one attached to here, simply you can, now that is tail connect to first of head. Okay, represent like that one, that is how much? 2 root 3 j cap. Okay, after that sum of these two represent like here, and that angle is theta. That angle is theta. Simply that angle is 90 degree. So you can again, and what about B? B is written to minus 2i cap plus 2 root 3 j cap. Okay, so how can we determine magnitude of B? Simply B is written as, magnitude of B is written as minus 2 square plus 2 root 3 to the whole square. What about that value? That is 4 plus how much? 4 into 3, that is 12. Okay, that is 16. So that is 4. Okay, that is 4. Magnitude is 4. What about direction? Written here tan theta. If you write written tan theta, what about magnitude of that one? That is 2 root 3 divided by only magnitude, that is 2. So how much? Root 3. So which tan value? Root 3, tan 60. So you can say that theta this is equal to 60 degree. Okay, but our motto, always count angle from x-axis. So what about that angle? Alpha. So alpha is basically 180 minus theta. So 180 minus 60, that is how much? 120 degree. Okay, so you can write now here plus 120 degree from x-axis. From x-axis. Clear or not? So final answer is that one. Okay, always from x-axis. That angle always consider. Okay, so if you determine that angle, after that I know that that is a straight line. So what total angle is 180. 180 minus theta, that is alpha. That is called how much? 120 from x-axis. Positive x-axis. Are you simple x-axis? Okay. Okay. Now next target, question number 3. So first of all, make it. If any doubt, then comment it. I will discuss again. Okay. Make it. First of all, make it. Okay. Now question number 4 part, root 3 I cap minus j cap. How can determine that value? Simply, what about magnitude of d? Simply, you can first of all draw 3 I cap. What is the representation? That is root 3 I cap minus j cap. Minus j cap always in opposite direction to that j. And that angle is how much? Theta. Okay, and that d is written as root 3 I cap minus j cap. Okay, so what about magnitude? Simply under root of root 3 square plus 1 square minus 1 square, that is we got how much? 3 plus 1, that is 4, that is 2. So magnitude is 2. And what about theta? Tan theta is written as that one upon that one, 1 upon simply magnitude, that is 1 divided by root 3. What? And that angle is how much? Tan 30. So you can say that theta is 30 degree. Okay, but our motto, determine angle from clockwise, anti-clockwise direction, that angle. So that one is, total angle is 360. 360 minus, so if you consider alpha, so alpha is how much? 360 minus 30, then we got, that is how much? 330 degree from positive x-axis, or simply you can write now x-axis. Okay, this is the final answer. So magnitude is how much? 2. And what about direction? 330 degree from positive x-axis. Make it. If anyone faced out corresponding to any part, then comment it. I will discuss again.